Have you been facing too many plumbing issues lately? Maybe that is because you have been putting off plumbing maintenance for a long time. If you are facing any of the following plumbing issues, it is high time that you call in a professional plumber. Leaking pipes. Leaky pipes lead to a plethora of other problems. They ruin your floor, ceiling, walls, and could eventually lead to even bigger problems. Water pressure. You could be facing low water pressure due to leaking or clogging of pipes, smaller size of pipes, or water supply issue. Clogged sewer lines. Damaged sewer lines can lead to far greater problems such as pet infestation, smelly odor, and health-related issues. Ignoring any of these problems for longer periods can lead to far greater issues and be even more expensive to fix. Have the plumbing of your home looked at by the professional plumbers from Your One Plumber. We handle everything from installation, repairs, and maintenance of all plumbing fixtures and fittings. Call us for an inspection of your home today. 888-540-7586. www.youroneplumber.net